Imagine you're getting on an airplane. You're getting on an airplane. We're all getting on the airplane together, and we are all going to the same place. And that destination for us is called less stuff, more life. Now, on the plane, you get different options. You can have economy. You can have economy plus. Business class, there's first class. There's different options on the plane, but everyone on the plane is going to the same place.
You are listening to the Decluttering Club podcast. I'm your host, Sarah Mueller, and it's my mission to equip women to declutter their homes, their time, and their lives so that they have energy for what matters most.
You are listening to the Decluttering Club podcast episode number 72. We're going to talk about rebranding. This is a little bit of behind the scenes here, but this is important for you to understand where we are going as a business and as a community. And so I thought I'd kind of take you along with me on this ride and explain what is going on and what we're doing. So we have an amazing membership. Amazing membership. If you are not in the membership, you need to get yourself on the wait list so that you can join us when we next open up to new members. I want to explain to you what is going on in the membership and why it is such an amazing place for people who struggle with clutter. So we have been running this membership for, I think it's going on over 5 years now. We have been supporting people. We've been helping them let go of things. We've been helping them work through the emotional issues as well as the physical issues of their clutter. We've also been teaching them how to get organized. We teach them how to get motivated, how to deal with overwhelm, like all the stuff that comes up when people try to let go and declutter and kind of get their lives back under control. So this has been going on very, very successfully for quite some time now. And we have unbelievable transformation. It's so exciting. And so we've had the membership now for, like I said, about 5 years, and people are coming and going. And almost 2 years ago, we decided to introduce another level of membership because we thought some people don't want to go all in at first. They don't have a lot of time, or maybe they don't have as much money as the membership costs. So let's introduce a lower level of membership so that more people can participate. It is my goal, it is my passion to equip you to declutter so that you have time for the things in your life that matter most. Less stuff, more life. We are on fire for this mission. And what that means is I want to get as many people in the door so I can help as many people as possible. And so that's why we decided to launch the second level of membership. And we called it core because we thought these are like the core things that we really want to teach you. One thing a month throughout the year. So that was core. We named our initial level of membership, we called that Organize My Home. And then we actually added, it's not super important why, but we called it Complete. And then there was core. Now, between you and me, these names are terrible. These names were not great. And we had a lot of people who were confused, which makes a lot of sense because I agree, they're pretty confusing, but it was what we had at the time. And honestly, we had thousands of people that had success with these names. But it was always something that I really wanted to clarify. I thought it would be a good opportunity to explain it on the podcast so that if you're not in the membership, then you can get an idea for what goes on and where you might want to fit in the membership. So again, we have one membership. It is the Decluttering Club membership, and we have 2 levels in the membership. Imagine you're getting on an airplane. You're getting on an airplane. We're all getting on the airplane together, and we are all going to the same place. And that destination for us is called less stuff, more life. Now, on the plane, you get different options. You can have economy. You can have economy plus. Business class, there's first class. There's different options on the plane, but everyone on the plane is going to the same place. The first level membership is what we call the community level. And when I look back at the other projects that I worked on, the other businesses that I worked on, they've all been community focused. And this is no different. Our communities just keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And so community is the first level of membership. And in the community level, we offer our members one training a month where we can give you all the good stuff that you need to tackle one topic or one area of clutter in your home. There's an amazing, vibrant, exciting Facebook community, and we help people get connected to each other, and all kinds of good stuff going on there. And there's a whole bunch of other things, but that is the main focus of the community level of membership. We also have the second level, and we call that VIP. And in VIP, you get more benefits. If you want more support, we have more support. If you want more training, we have more training. We have a lot more accountability built into the VIP level. So the VIP level includes everything at the community level. You still get all of that training that we give to everyone in community. You just get the extras. You get the extra stuff. And so I believe that this model is really going to serve us really, really well because, again, we're all going to the same destination, and it really depends on how much time and how much money and how much investment in yourself do you want to make, and what's the right place for you to be. That is the way I see the membership shaping up. So again, we have just gone through the process of renaming things. So you're going to hear me talking about the VIP level of membership. You're going to hear me talking about the community level of membership. In the future, we may have more levels. I'm not quite sure yet. We haven't completely scoped that out, and it's not built yet, but that is going to serve us and just give us so much capacity to serve you and really the entire world in such an exciting way. I feel like sometimes people show up and they're like, I just want to see what this is like. Okay, perfect. We're going to have a level for you. Or maybe you're like, I've had enough. Like, I have been tolerating this clutter, and enough is enough. And I want to go all in, and I want to go hard, and I want to go fast. No problem. VIP would be for you in that case. So hopefully that gives you kind of a picture of the way this is working. Then you can understand, like, where do you want to fit in? What makes the most sense for you right now? And then maybe, do you want to increase? Do you want to step it up at some point? Do you want to go from community to VIP? Does that make sense for you? Do you have a deadline coming up? Has the decluttering become more important to you or more urgent? Maybe there's a move or something like that. Or again, maybe just enough is enough. And so you decide you want to upgrade. That's all going to be available to you. If you are currently a community level member and you would like to upgrade to VIP, send us an email, let us know. We will give you all the details on what that looks like. And if you're not yet a member and you'd love to just take this journey, hop on the plane with us on our way to Less Stuff and More Life, I'm going to include the link to the membership with this podcast. We're not open all the time to new members. So if we're not currently open, you will get an opportunity to join the wait list, and we will send you an email when we open up next time. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions about that. Let me know. Shout out to all of our members. We love you all so much. You guys are doing amazing work, and it just makes me want to keep going. I believe there are at least 10 million people in this world who need this work. And maybe it's even much, much more. This is such a widespread problem. People have so much problem with clutter, and it's only getting worse. So if you don't have these tools that we're teaching, and if you don't have the community and the support and the accountability, if you're not going forward with your decluttering, then you're going backward. There's no treading water. There's no staying in place. Either you're enjoying the momentum of forward movement and things are getting better, or you're going backwards and you're dealing with the momentum of more and more and more clutter, because either way, you're going to keep going in the direction that you're already going. So I really want to caution you, if this is a concern of yours, you want to keep an eye on it, because like I said, it's not going to get better on its own. And in fact, it will only get worse on its own. So that's why we are here. That is the purpose of the membership, to equip you, to support you, to serve you, and to actually help you see that decluttering can actually be amazing. It can be fun. And there is a whole life waiting for you if you will only say yes to it. We'd love to have you join us in the membership. If you're not there yet, come join us over in the Decluttering Club membership, and we will help you as well on that journey to less stuff and more life. See you next week, everyone.
That's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed this podcast, please leave us a review. It would really help us to get the word out. And if you'd like to continue your decluttering journey with us, find us on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube at Decluttering Club, or on our website at thedeclutteringclub.com.